Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. We do get a dual exhaust with this vehicle, backup camera, roof spoiler. We got some chrome and black accents along this vehicle as well, with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for those cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see here we do get a nice powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a 12 volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, adjustable rear seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 73,274 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get a calm screen. We have My View, or your digital speedometer. We have trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders with tons of storage. You can get some outlets down there. Got your center console with even more storage. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, and media controls. You have storage in the glove compartment. And looking here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, your apps or any apps you may download. Show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8106, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.